Hi, I'm Charlie. I'm from the Montgomery Development Education Centre. You've maybe seen me in your school speaking to your teachers, coming to visit, but I'm stuck at home today. It's a rainy and windy day, so I thought I'd maybe read a story. The story that I've chosen to read today is called Oi, Get Off My Train, and it's by John Burningham. Where do you think that train's going? Where do you think it's come from? Oi, get off our train. God, that's a cool bridge. Do you know anybody anywhere nearby where there's a bridge like that? For Chico Mendes, who tried so hard to protect the rainforests of Brazil. Where's Brazil? I wonder why the rainforests are so important. You aren't still playing with that train, are you? Get into bed immediately. You know you have to be up early for school tomorrow. Have you ever done that? Been playing in your bedroom when you should have been in bed? Here is your pajama case, dog. I found it under a cushion in the sitting room. Now, settle down and go to sleep. And so he did. Until... What's this? It's the train. And who's on board? We're ready to go now. Don't make too much noise with the shovel. Wonder where they're going. It's night time. It's quite spooky looking. If there's time, we can have a picnic. Looks like the sun is just coming up. You can see that haze in the background. I wonder what time that means it is. It looks as if it's going to be foggy ahead. If it is, we can play ghosts. Look at that, playing ghosts. Ooh. But hold on, who's this? Oi, get off our train. Please let me come with you on your train. Someone is coming to cut off my tusks, and soon there will be none of us left. What would you do? Do you think we should let the elephant on the train? Brilliant. They've let the elephant on the train. It's going to be a very hot day. If it is, we must find somewhere for a swim. Do you think elephants like water? Look at that. Splash. But who's this? What's that trying to get on the train? Oi! Get off our train. Please let me come with you on your train. If I stay in the sea, I won't have enough to eat because people are making the water very dirty and they are catching too many fish. And soon there will be none of us left. Do you think they should let the seal on the train? Let's see if they do. I think there's going to be a strong wind. If there is, we can all fly kites. And who's going to be flying kites with them? Who have we got? The elephant, and that fella, and the seal. But who's this? Oi! Get off our train! Please let me come with you on your train. I live in the marshes, and they're draining the water out of them. I can't live on dry land, and soon there will be none of us left. Do you think they should let them on the train? Look at that, the train thundering through the countryside. It looks as if it's going to rain soon. If it does, we can all muck about with umbrellas. And look, that's exactly what they do. Got the elephant with his umbrella. Oh my goodness. Who's this? Oi, get off our train. Please let me come with you on your train. They're cutting down the forests where I live, and soon there will be none of us left. What do you notice that's different about this picture? The countryside seems to have changed. I think there's enough snow now. If there is, we can all throw snowballs. Oh, how much fun is that? Have you thrown snowballs before? But who's this? Trying to sneak onto the train. Oi! Get off our train! Look at them. They're all shouting at the polar bear. I wonder why the polar bear's trying to get onto the train. Please let me ride on your train. I live in the frozen north, and somebody wants my fur to make a coat out of it, and soon there will be none of us left. Look at all the animals that have been let on the train. Do you think there's room for the polar bear? Do you think they should let the polar bear on? If it does not stop snowing soon, we are going to get stuck. But look what happens. Everybody that's on the train all gets to work digging the snow out of the way. Good job they had lots of people, lots of animals, eh? We must go back now. I have to get to school in the morning. Off they go. Look at that train thundering through the night, past the factories, past the towns, until finally, you must get up immediately or you will be late for school. There are lots of animals in the house. There's an elephant in the hall, a seal in the bath, a crane in the washing, a tiger on the stairs, and a polar bear by the fridge. Is it anything to do with you? And that's the end.